Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. I do apologize for it taking so long for me to get this video up. I've just been really busy, but I do appreciate you guys coming back to my channel. I'm so glad you haven't forgotten about me. I know you guys are a bit anxious to finally get to see the end result, but I did want to break down pretty much every step for you guys. I wanted to have you guys go through all of the steps with me. Wanted you guys to see all of the steps that I have done to pretty much give my room a makeover. I know I have actually seen a lot of videos and everything was just done really quickly and you didn't really get to see what went on behind the scenes. But I did wanted to kind of break that down for you guys because it really is a lot of work redoing a room, redecorating, remodeling, whatever it is that you're doing to your room. And I wanted to capture that on film, that it is not a one-day process. It does take a long time to get done, especially when you're trying to balance out life in general. But I did want you guys to see all of the steps that I did take, so when you guys see the final product, you get to see how everything comes together. So this part was a little annoying for me because it took me a really long time to get this leveled out using my leveler, and after I pretty much screwed it in place and just placed it on the wall, I took a step back and then I realized that it did not look even. It was off probably about a centimeter and it was driving me crazy. But at that point I just left it alone and I'll get back to it another day. I did put the curtain up and it kind of disguised it. Me personally, I see it. Everyone else tells me that you can't really see it too much, but I personally see it and it drives me crazy, and I'll get back to that another day. So here's my wall length mirror. Everyone that sees this mirror falls absolutely in love with it, and I absolutely love this mirror. I always take my selfies in this mirror. I'm always in this mirror. But I did get this mirror from IKEA if you guys were interested. If I do find a link below for it, I'll put it down in the description box. But if not, you guys can probably just take a look at the website. I'll probably put something that's similar. So again, I did get these end tables from Amazon. I did link them in my previous video. I'll probably link them again. These lamps I did get from IKEA as well. They were actually pretty cheap and perfect for my room, the size. The scale is actually perfect for these end tables. And then I have my dual charger here, my desk, and then just facial tissue. Okay, so this lumbar pillow I got from Walmart, I would say probably 4 years ago. I will try and link everything in the video. I'm not going to continuously say, but I'm going to try and link everything that I have in this video down below or something similar to it. So if you're interested, just go ahead and check out the description box. But these white fluffy pillows I did get from Burlington as well. They are BB pillows, 24 by 24 white pillows. I got my gray bedding from Burlington as well. These are the London Fog bedding set. And then my Beauty and the Beast pillowcases I got from Family Dollar. The two pillowcases were actually $5, which was a great deal. They're not cotton, I believe they're polyester. but we don't really sleep with them. It's just more so for decorations. The gray pillowcases are actually more comfortable. And then my quilt I did get from Burlington Quilt Factory as well. It is a white London fog quilt. It is so comfy and it's so airy as well at the same time, where you don't feel so hot, but you do get that comfort from it. So this here is my O-CEDAR mop. I absolutely love this. It has a microfiber base that you use to mop the floor. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It's so easy to use. You do have this lever on the side that you use to wring out the mop. My kids love it. They love mopping their rooms with this. So this is actually a really great investment, and it's not too much money. And then you can buy the replacement heads for it as well. So this concludes everything. So here I'm going to show you guys a real quick before and an after. So guys, this is my makeup vanity desk area. My next video is going to be of me kind of revamping this area because it looks really dull right now. So stay tuned for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course the room isn't 100% complete. I still have little design pieces that I want to put throughout the room, but this is the majority of the design. So again, if you did like this video, please subscribe and hit that like button down below. If you do have any questions or video suggestions, please leave them down below as well. Bye.